Think for a moment about everything that's alive on Earth. Originally, scientists classified these living things into two main groups, which were either plants or animals. However, as science advanced, and with the creation of the microscope during the 17th century, researchers were able to study living organisms more closely. This led to the discovery of many new types of life, making it necessary to expand the original two classifications into 6 distinct kingdoms. Today, we recognize these as archaebacteria, eubacteria, protists, fungi, plants, and animals. Each kingdom is further subdivided into smaller groups based on certain characteristics that define them. The animal kingdom, for instance, is organized into detailed categories. The classification hierarchy starts at the most specific level with species. Members of the same species can breed together and produce offspring that are capable of breeding as well. As we move up the hierarchy, the groups become broader, including genus, family, order, class, phylum, and kingdom. For a better understanding, let's consider the classification of a grizzly bear. Specifically, the grizzly bear, scientifically named 𝗙𝗍𝗆𝗄𝗃, is a subspecies of the brown bear, or Ursus arctos. This species includes other brown bears such as the Kodiak bear and the Mexican brown bear. The genus Ursus encompasses all brown bears, black bears, polar bears, and more. The family Ursidae, which includes the panda bear, is broader still. Creatures in the Ursidae family share certain features, like a large body, sturdy legs, a lengthy snout, shaggy hair, non-retractile claws, and a short tail. Up next is the order Carnivora, which comprises all carnivorous mammals. The class Mammalia consists of all vertebrate animals that are warm-blooded, possess hair or fur, and in which females have milk-producing glands. The phylum Chordata is an extensive group that includes all vertebrates and even certain invertebrates. Lastly, there's the animal kingdom, encompassing all animal forms from the phylum Arthropoda, which includes insects, to the phylum Porifera, consisting of sponges. Like animals, organisms in the plant kingdom are also multicellular. However, they differ in how they obtain food. Plants make their own nourishment, while animals ingest other living things for sustenance. All plant species can be categorized into two main groups, vascular and non-vascular. Vascular plants can distribute food and water throughout the plant body, enabling these plants to grow quite large. Non-vascular plants, lacking these specialized tubular tissues, can't grow as large since they pass these materials slowly from one cell to the next. The fungi kingdom is a collection of organisms that thrive in dark, moist areas and bear some resemblance to plants. Fungi derive energy from absorbing nutrients from other organisms. Examples of fungi include molds growing on fruits, yeasts, and mushrooms. The kingdom of protists comprises organisms that don't fit into any other kingdom. Plant-like protists, such as algae, can create their own food, while animal-like protists, known as protozoa, absorb food from their environment. Finally, all bacteria are microorganisms, so tiny that they can only be seen under a microscope. Bacteria are divided into two kingdoms. Archaebacteria are often termed ancient bacteria due to their resilience in extreme temperature conditions. Eubacteria, on the other hand, are the more familiar bacteria found almost everywhere, such as in soil and even in humans.